Sorry. Okay. Now you can hear me. Rashid, hands down. Okay. You can hear me now. All right. Okay. Page number 65. It is given like this: name of the things, whether it has corner, number of edges and number of corners. ऐसा आपको दिया गया है. Okay, so in last lecture we had learned about edges and corner. We had learned about edges and corners. Okay, let me tell you again. What are edges? Edge को बनती है when two surface meet each other. When two surface meet each other. This is one surface. This is another surface. When they meet each other, it form the edges. All right. And corner. When corner will form, when edges will meet, it will form the corner. You can see here, when this edge and this edge will meet, it will form the corner. Now in this table, what you have to do? Name of the thing is given, whether it has corner. यदि आपको इसमें कॉर्नर दिखता है तो आपको yes लिखना है, यदि नहीं दिखता है तो आपको no लिखना है. नंबर ऑफ एजिस, कितने एजिस है, जो थिंग यहाँ पे दी है उसमें कितने एजिस है. एंड नंबर ऑफ कॉर्नर, हाउ मेनी कॉर्नर्स आर देयर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. द नेम ऑफ द थिंग इज डाई. ओके, डाई इज रिटन हियर. Whether it has corner, क्या इसके corners है? Yes, it has corner. You can see here. 1, 2, 3. All these are corners. All these are corners. So you have to write yes here. Then number of edges. How many edges are there in this object, in this thing? ये चीज में कितने edges है? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 edges are there. Total 12 edges are there. The next, number of corners. How many corners are there? How many corners are there? So you can see clearly there are 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 corners are there. Is this clear? Okay. Moving to the next object. Second is given ball. B-A-L-L ball. Okay. Ball, उसका फिगर आपको ड्रॉ कर देना है. ओके, चलो इसमें देखते हो. Ball is, you know, it is round. You all have seen ball. आप सबने बॉल तो देखा ही होगा. चलो, whether it has corner, बॉल में आपको कॉर्नर दिखेगा. Who knows whether it has corner? Who will answer me? Yes, Krisha. Yes, Krishna.
No.
No, very nice. Very good. Ball has no corners. So you have to write no. Number of edges in ball, you will not find any edges. बॉल में कोई भी एजेस होती नहीं है. ओके, you will not find such edges because it is round. So number of edges 0. Number of corners in ball, you will not find any corner. बॉल में कोई भी कॉर्नर आपको मिलेगा नहीं. So again you have to write 0. Understood? So please write down. Write with your pencil. Okay. The next we have eraser. Eraser. इरेजर का मैं पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर देता हूं. ओके, ऐसा होगा आपका इरेजर. ऑलराइट, इरेजर. Whether it has corner, yes, you will find corners. See here, one, you have corners here. In eraser you will find corners. So write down yes. Number of edges, again you will have 12 edges because it is same as cube only. And number of corners, 8 corners. Completed? Okay. Write fast because I am going to erase. Completed? If yes, raise your hand. लिख दिया आपने ये सब? ओके, हैंड्स डाउन. हैंड्स डाउन. Next you have egg. E-double-G, egg. So you have to draw egg in a oval form. Okay, this is your egg. Whether it has corner, no corner. If there is no corner, then there is no edges also. You will not find any edges. So 0 edge and 0 corner. There is no corner. Next, we have sheet of paper. Sheet of paper. Sheet of paper. Let me draw sheet of paper. Just you draw rectangle shape, you will get sheet of paper. sheet of paper. So in sheet of paper, let me show you the sheet of paper. This is sheet of paper, all right. Whether it has corner, yes, you will find corner. So write down yes. Number of edges, how many edges are there? So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. And number of corners also 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 corners. Understood? Write down. Write first. Okay, moving to next topic. So this completed. Okay, take out this page. Page number 64, 65, downside. In the following figures, tick those which have corners. Do this figure have curved lines? ओके, अब इसमें देखो आपको कुछ फिगर दिए गए हैं. ओके, स्क्वायर, ओवल, सर्कल. ओके, सम शेप्स आर गिवन टू यू. अब आपको टिक ऐसे शेप्स पे करना है जिसके कॉर्नर हो. जहाँ जहाँ पे आपको कॉर्नर दिख रहा है वहाँ पे आपको टिक मार्क करना है बस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सी द फर्स्ट वन. फर्स्ट वन, can you see the corner? In first one, can you see the corner? Yes. So you have to tick because you can see corner here. Okay, You can see the corner. Just a minute. This is corner, you can see. Okay, it has corner, so that's why I tick this object. In second one, again you can see corner. These are corner. 1, 2 and 3 corners are there. So again you have to put tick mark. Here, yes. Again you have corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Many corners are there. So tick mark this also. Do this figure have corner? No. So please don't tick this. Here, yes, it has corner. You have to tick. No. No. So total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects you have to tick. Now see another question what is given. Do this figure have curve lines? क्या इस फिगर की कर्व लाइन है? यस, कर्व लाइन किसको बोलते हैं कि जो स्ट्रेट ना हो, उसको कर्व लाइन कहते हैं. दिस इज द कर्व लाइन. यू कैन सी ये कर्व लाइन है, देखो. दिस इज द कर्व लाइन. ओके, थोड़ी सी मुड़ी. हियर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी कर्व लाइन. All right. So do this figure have curved lines? So you have to write yes. Some of the object have curved line. यहाँ पे लिखो yes. Some figures write this.